Today I want to show you how to graph piecewise defined functions using Desmos. So let's say we have three different pieces to our function here. So in addition to being able to plot piecewise functions in Desmos, I'm going to show you a few extra functions here. I can get arrows on my x and y axis, label that x and label that y. And I can also set my grids and my axis numbers as well. I'm also going to insert my image of the function that we were given. And this puts it right smack in the middle, so I'm going to shift it 6 units to the right and 9 units up. And if I zoom out, you can see it. Next, I'm going to put my first piecewise function, which is y equals 2x plus 1. That gives me the entire line. And for me to set my limit, I'm going to put a curly bracket, x, and to get the less than or equal to sign that goes here, and -6. And I'm going to close that. And you can see it ends right there versus before. I can put a point, -6, -11. I can change my color to blue as well. And because it's a less than equal to, it's going to be a solid dot, so I'm going to leave it as a solid dot. But we can change it to a hollow if we needed to. Okay. Next, we have y equals x squared. With my curly bracket, x is between -6 and 6. And if I zoom up, you see that it ends there. See that? There we go. Finally, just going to zoom in a little bit. Finally, we have y equals 3 minus x. Add our curly brackets. X greater than or equal to 6. Close my curly brackets. And as you can see, we have the function that goes and ends at your x greater than or equal to 6. If you want, we can add a point, which was 6 -3. Again, it's an equal, so it's going to be a solid dot. Edit. We can change it to a black dot there. Okay, let's try another piecewise function. So we have y equals x plus 6 with our domain of x less than -2. And that's your line over there. And we have y equals x squared with your domain of x between -2 and 2. So I made it such that we had nice points that join together. So we have -2, 4. So let's put -2, 4. And that's going to be a solid green, as so. And then we have y equals 6 minus x with your domain of x greater than 2. And we're going to put the point that is 2, 4. And I'm going to change it to green as well because it's going to be a solid at your green because it's an equal to, whereas this is going to be a hollow at your greater than 2. And that's how we plot a graph on Desmos for piecewise functions. If you like my video, please be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. If you have questions or comments, leave them down below. I offer tutoring services online as well as sell notes, worksheets with full answer keys, links down below. If you'd like to support my work, I have a Patreon account, links down below as well. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you found this lesson helpful.